Namaste. Welcome to Be Your Own God. Today, we're going to talk about hair. So I've had a few ladies who have come up to me and ask about hair shedding and is there something in our Ayurvedic culture that helps us without breaking our bank reduce hair loss and hair fall, or even help generate new growth. And guess what, people? There is. And this is, by the way, not only for females, but it can be applied to men as well. So it's gender neutral. And you don't need to write down everything. I will put up the recipe, and it's really simple. You can do it at home right after this. So friends, this is what we're gonna need. 16 ounces of water, 2 glasses, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seed, 1 teaspoon of flaxseed, few rose petals, and the essential oil rosemary, just a few drops. Follow me to the kitchen now. Okay, so in a pot, you're going to pour in 2 cups of water. 1 and 2. Okay, next you're going to want 1 teaspoon of flaxseed and 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. You're going to pour them into the pot. Turn the pot or the stove on to high because you're going to need to boil this. And the flax seeds. We're going to boil this now for 15 to 20 minutes. And then we're going to strain it. You can also add optional flower petals or roses. Rose petals are the best. I seem to not have it today. Okay, just stir it up a bit. There's not much for you to do now. Just let it boil for 15-20 minutes. Basically, you want to boil it right before it gets to the serum-like consistency. If it gets too thick, it's going to be kind of hard to strain it. Okay, you can see the color changing in the water. Nicely boiling. You don't really have to stir it, maybe once or twice, and that's about it. Okay, another thing you guys are going to want is a spray bottle. Once your liquid mixture is completed and you're going to strain it into this, you'll be using your hair bottle spray for just spraying your hair. It's a very simple and easy, mess-free way of treating your hair. Okay, now that the time is completed, we're going to just turn off the heat and let it cool down for a bit. You can see consistency here. We're going to let this cool down for a little bit and then strain it into our bottle. Okay, now that it's been cooling for a few minutes, like about 10 minutes now, you can see how the water is becoming thick and gooey-like. So you want to start straining it now. If it gets too thick, it's going to be hard to come out. Okay, so now that we have completed the cooling process, time for us to add rosemary essential oil. So you just need a few drops of this. You can add it right directly into the pot, mix it up, and then strain it into the bottles. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About 6 drops. Okay, now what you're gonna do is take your bottle and just strain the mixture, the liquid, right into this. Okay, let's see if we can do this. You can see some of the stuff is getting gooey and thick. Just use a spoon. Oh, I think that's just the flower petal. Okay, now that we've filled our bottle, just screw the top on and your spray is good to go. All you're gonna need is spray it on. So friends, this spray bottle is good. Lasts me about 3 to 4 weeks. Again, you're gonna apply this every time you're about to shampoo your hair. So if you shampoo your hair every 2 days, then the night before you're gonna shampoo your hair, just apply this, sleep with it overnight. Or if you don't wanna sleep with it overnight, you can also apply it just like, 3 to 4 hours, let it sit in, and then shampoo out with a gentle, mild shampoo. Make sure you massage it a little bit, no more than a couple of minutes, and you're pretty much good to go. Let me know how it works for you. Comment below after you've tested it out for a few weeks and actually a few months. And hopefully you'll see the benefit. What do I do with this leftover seeds? Please don't throw it away. This thing is awesome. All you need is take a little mixie or a little blender, add the remaining seeds to it with any other leftover liquid. You can add a little bit of water if you'd want, and you're just going to cover it and blend it. And you make it into a paste-like substance. This paste can be applied to your face as a face mask or directly to your hair even as a hair mask. So it's wonderful. Again, if you're going to use it as a hair mask, you want to keep it in your hair for like about 30 minutes to 45 minutes before shampooing it out. You can have applied your spray like the night before the next day, wake up, apply the hair mask, keep it on for 45 minutes and then take a shower. If you want to apply it to your face, you can add a little bit of water or honey and just apply it to your face. I also do recommend that you test it on your face. Make sure you're not allergic or you're not sensitive to any of these ingredients. If you are, please do not use that. On your hair, I think it should be fine, but just a precautionary. Okay, friends, just to demonstrate for you, I did blend this, and let me show you how this looks like. So I've taken it out into a bowl, and you can see the paste-like substance. You can now just apply it directly to your face or to your hair. I hope you enjoy this. It smells like rosemary. Okay, so if you're wondering why fenugreek seeds, which is also known as methi seeds in Hindi, the proteins present in the fenugreek seeds help in strengthening the hair shaft, reducing hair fall, and promoting hair growth. Now for flax seeds, that's also a fabulous nature-made ingredients for our hair and our health. So it smooths irritated scalp and nourishes all hair types. It strengthens the hair, reduces frizz, dryness, moisturizes and stimulates the scalp. It prevents hair loss. It promotes hair growth. Plus, it has another great benefit, and that it also fights dandruff. Sorry, I had to change my direction. Sunlight was hitting me. I think it's still there, but anyway, I just wanted to give some information about the rosemary essential oil, why I use that. For one thing, it increases the blood flow to the hair follicles, which basically increases oxygen that's supplied to it and the nutrients, promoting again hair growth, shine. Okay friends, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Namaste. Okay, so now you have the reason why I use these particular ingredients. They are not just a recipe that I've invented out of the thin air. It is part of our Ayurvedic philosophies and health and well-being. So definitely do give it a try. Comment below, let me know how it worked out for you. If you've noticed any improvement or less hair fall, more hair growth, shine, healthiness to your hair, bounce, and let me know so that others can also learn from it. Thank you. Namaste.